In the bustling town of Playfulburg, where giggles echoed like bouncing balls, Lila and her fluffy friend Fluffly were gearing up for a day of exciting adventures. Fluffly, with his fluffy tail and twinkling eyes, had a fantastic idea: a game called Playfulburg Word Tic-Tac-Toe. Gathering Lila, Benny, Zoe, and Giggly Gus in the heart of Playfulburg, Fluffly wagged his tail and laid out a giant tic-tac-toe grid on the ground. The friends were thrilled, ready for the wordy fun Fluffly had in store. Fluffly, with his magical paws, transformed the town square into a giant word playground. The Playfulburg Word Tic-Tac-Toe game was ready to begin. Each child, with eager smiles, stood around the grid, ready to showcase their word-reading skills. With a bounce and a twirl, Fluffly declared, "Let the wordy tic-tac-toe extravaganza begin." The children, brimming with enthusiasm, took turns placing their markers on simple words written in each square. Laughter filled the air as they tried to get 3 in a row. Lila, with her imaginative spark, placed her marker on the word sun. Benny, with his love for adventure, marked the word tree. Zoe, with her artistic flair, chose the word paint. Giggly Gus, with his infectious laughter, giggled his way to the word fun. The game unfolded with words like hop, skip, jump, and play, turning the tic-tac-toe grid into a wordy wonderland. Fluffly, with a triumphant tail twirl, cheered for the friends as they celebrated their victories. With the sun setting in Playfulburg, Lila and Fluffly taught their friends that games could be a magical way to learn and have fun together. The Playfulburg Word Tic-Tac-Toe became a cherished tradition, inspiring the children to explore the joy of words and friendly competition. As they bid each other good night, the friends eagerly awaited the next day of playful surprises in the lively town of Playfulburg. In the lively town of Joyville, where laughter floated like balloons, Lila and her fluffy friend Fluffly were gearing up for a day filled with laughter and play. Fluffly, with his fluffy tail and sparkling eyes, had a marvelous idea: a game called Joyville Magazine Hunt. Gathering Lila, Benny, Zoe, and Giggly Gus in the heart of Joyville, Fluffly wagged his tail and spread out a pile of old magazines. The friends were excited, ready for the creative adventure Fluffly had in store. Fluffly, with his magical paws, transformed the town square into a haven of colourful magazines and scissors. The Joyville Magazine Hunt game was ready to begin. Each child, with eager smiles, sat around a big table, ready to embark on a picture-filled journey. With a bounce and a twirl, Fluffly declared, "Let the magazine hunt magic commence." The children, brimming with curiosity, flipped through the pages, searching for pictures of objects or animals that started with specific letters. Lila, with her imaginative spark, found a picture of a smiling sun for the letter S. Benny, with his love for adventure, discovered a bicycle for the letter B. Zoe, with her artistic flair, cut out a rainbow for the letter R. Giggly Gus, with his infectious laughter, giggled his way to a picture of a funny monkey for the letter M. The children joyfully created a collage, arranging their pictures on a big poster board. Fluffly, with a triumphant tail twirl, admired their colourful creation. Each picture was labelled with its corresponding word, creating a playful and educational masterpiece. As the sun set in Joyville, Lila and Fluffly taught their friends that games could be a magical way to explore the world of letters and pictures. The Joyville Magazine Hunt became a cherished tradition, inspiring the children to learn and play together in a world filled with imagination. With dreams of more picture-filled adventures, they bid each other good night, eagerly awaiting the next day of joyful surprises in the lively town of Joyville.